I've always liked the idea of travel. Get out there, see something new, explore the world a little bit more. So this year, I actually had an opportunity that I really couldn't pass up on. Alright, how's it going, guys? Going to Red Mountain today, courtesy of Zeal Optics. We have a sales contest running at work. One of my buddies actually is the guy who won. Unfortunately, he got hurt and unable to ride, so he was nice enough to give the trip to me this time around. So I hop on a short haul flight from Vancouver to Castlegar. I've heard many great things about this place, and my excitement level was really high. Got off the plane and just looked around and saw all my surroundings. So yeah, travel went well. Had a nice little lunch with Lynn, who's my rep. Probably run into her at some point in the video. And yeah, so we've checked in. We're actually the first guys here. We're the only Canadians on this trip, which is pretty nice. But the plus side to being the first one to show up at your hotel is you get the first crack at the beds. So I wake up the first day, flip a coin, and then realize that I'm gonna have to be skiing on my first day. Now, with a lot of the people here, I realize that, maybe I will struggle a little bit with this one. But you know what? It's always good fun just to push yourself a little bit more. Had a bunch of guides. Everyone was so excited to get out there on the mountain. Yeah, second day, because I brought it, might as well figure to put my board together, get back in my natural sort of stance, even though my legs were shot from the first day. But figured I might as well just get out there and keep pushing it, riding with everybody else, smiles all around, so much fun. So aside from all the powder, the food, all the snow, the whole idea of the travel, no trip is really complete without the people that surround you. You surround yourself with some really good people, you're bound to have an amazing time. Everyone was super stoked to be on this trip. However, on the last day, travel plans were changed a little bit. I had to hop on a bus, travel for 4 hours, and then wait for another plane to take me home. Now, that layover was about 6 hours. But, sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches that life throws at you. So I want to thank Zeal Optics for the opportunity, and I hope to see you guys all again next year. Peace.